In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to resize image in Adobe Express. Whether you're preparing a social post, a presentation graphic, or just adjusting a photo to fit a layout, this quick walkthrough will guide you from start to finish. First, open the Adobe Express app on your computer. If you use the web version, simply launch it in your browser. Once it's open, make sure you're logged in so your work can sync and autosave as you go. Next, decide where you want to make the change. You can open an existing project or start from a template if you already have a design going. If you're creating something new, click the plus sign in the upper left to start a fresh project, then pick a canvas that matches your goal. Follow the on-screen prompts to land in the editor. Adobe Express may suggest common sizes or layouts. Don't worry, you can still fine-tune everything later. Now, look to the left side of the screen and click Upload. This opens your file picker. Choose the picture you want to resize and confirm the upload. Large files may take a moment, that's normal. When your image appears on the canvas, click it to select it. You'll see a bounding box with handles around the image. Those are your controls. To resize, drag a corner handle to scale proportionally and keep the image from looking stretched. Use a side handle only if you intentionally want to change width or height independently. Watch the smart guides and edges of the canvas as you drag. These help you align the image and maintain clean spacing. If you need precision, zoom in for finer control, and keep an eye on the image quality. Scaling an image up too far can make it look soft. Scaling down is usually safe and keeps things sharp. If you make a move you don't like, use undo to step back. Position the resized image where you want it on the canvas. You can nudge it with your arrow keys for pixel level placement, and magnetized guides will snap it to center or edges when helpful. That's all there is to it. You opened Adobe Express, signed in, chose or created a project, followed the prompts, uploaded your picture, selected it, and resized it by dragging the handles. Your edits are saved automatically in most cases, so you can continue designing or return later without losing your work. Thanks for watching, and enjoy resizing with confidence in Adobe Express.